Getting dressed up right now.
Things look pretty busy down here. You trust this guy down here? I don't know what he's doing. I've never seen him here before. He looks a bit strange, I don't know. Okay, so what's happening?
Doing my first skydiving over Sydney, Wollongong.
Yep.
A bit nervous,
Yeah.
but also excited at the same time.
Yeah, sounds like a plan. Thought it was good to be frightened and excited.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you tell your family?
Yes, I did.
And what did Mum say?
Mum was a bit hesitant, but I'll say it's going to be a lifetime opportunity.
I'll
so
give you
I'm
some
gonna
advice. Say sorry, Mum, right here, right now.
Go. Sorry, Mum.
That's it. Alright, thumbs up, let's make it happen.
His mask off and loses his head, and she sees him in the screen. No fool, they want to go back.
Absolutely crazy. Oh man.
No fool,
Yeah. I was
it's
dreaming.
all a mystery.
I came
Let
down
it
and
come and let it be.